Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. Start by removing the cover. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screws and remove the lid. Loosen the top screws and remove the cover. Next, loosen the screws of the heating module and remove the metal plate. Disconnect the printhead cable. Loosen the fastening screws at the back of the heating module. Close the ink tube clamp to prevent leaks. Remove the damper and disconnect the heating module cable. Store the dampers in a sealed bag. Remove the screws and take out the printhead. Install the new printhead. This is the right side and this is the left side. Connect the cables as follows. Red cable 1, bottom left. Blue cable 2, top left. Red cable 3, bottom right. Blue cable 4, top right. Now apply tape to seal the connections. Make sure the adhesive completely seals the gaps around the cables. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Install the printhead in the printer. Note that the lower slots have a specific orientation, so you must position it correctly. Install the heating element and tighten the screws. Connect the power supply of the heating module. Open the top cover and connect the cables in this order. Blue 2, top left. Red 1, bottom left. Blue 4, top right. Red 3, bottom right. Bundle the cables with tape. Place the top cover and tighten the screws. Open the clamps that prevent ink flow and use a syringe to draw ink and remove air from inside. Check the numbering of the ink tubes and the printer connections. Install the dampers onto the printhead following that numbering. Repeat this process with all dampers. Place the heating module cover and secure the screws according to the indicated position. Install the protective cover of the printhead and tighten the screws.